I'm back from vacation. I'm peeling. You can see, right? Should have stayed a little longer. But anyway, so I'm glad to be back. It's Monday. Let's get going. I feel energized. I needed these couple of days off to recharge. And so basically what we looked at on Friday, we had big sell divergences coming into the morning on the opening when they gapped up. And I said last week, look for this rally to tire out by Friday. And then Powell, the Federal Reserve chairman, spoke about raising interest rates more aggressively, and boom, by 11 o'clock they got absolutely kabooshed. S&P futures, NASDAQ futures, Dow was down over 1,000. So remember I told you around the 4,300 level, look for lower highs, and we were going to be able to start looking for shorts, like and looking for longs, like in the SPXUs, the QIDs, the SDOWs, right? And then all of a sudden, bam, we got this big drop of about 300 points on the S&Ps, and the NASDAQ got absolutely kabooshed here. So what are we looking for now? Well, probably looking for a move down to the 39.75 before we take some type of a bounce. But either way, we're in a downtrend here in the markets. And no matter how you look at it, we're going to keep making lower highs. So the real question is two things. Are we going to make that double bottom at 36.42? On the S&Ps, are we going to make a new low? I'm in the camp, I think 65-70% we're going to make a double bottom. Remember I told you there were those four major gaps below the market. I think they get filled sometime September and October, which is pretty rough times for the market. So let's just see.